Well, hello and welcome to Saturday morning. It's a lovely, bright, sunny day, but my main task today is going to be sorting this out. In my workspace I have a variety of things that really do need putting away, like all of this stuff here from that Rover 25 I broke the other day. I've got somewhere to put all this. I do have storage, and this is supposed to be my work area, where I have my ramps and things like that, but also a variety of drawers with small tools in and boxes with things in, I'm not even sure, and variety of different fluids and sticky things and cables, and then some shelves over there with some other things, and none of it's particularly well organized, as you can see. And then the most special part is probably over here, where I make my cups of tea. But also on here we have a very useful hairdryer and a lamp and some batteries being charged. Some people probably wouldn't recommend you charge your batteries like this, but it's a way of doing more than one at once. So stuff all over the bench there. It is a workbench, and its job at the moment is storing things that I haven't put away. And there's my chess set there, which doesn't get used because I have no one to play chess with and I haven't really got time. The Stella Artois fridge has actually got sandwiches and milk in. Now you may think that although everywhere is a bit of a mess, I know where everything is, but I can guarantee I haven't got a clue. It does my head in. I haven't got a clue where anything is. I'm constantly losing my tools because of it. And then just outside here as well, I need to put some of this stuff away. These boxes here for scrap, things I take off that I don't actually want to keep. I have a couple of tyres here that need to go away. They don't really belong here, and that bumper needs to go in storage as well as these wings, or certainly that one. That one probably wants chucking away, to be honest. Question is, can I do it? A tidy workplace certainly helps me to be more productive, and I could certainly do with some of that. So there's the current time, and I believe I have about 4 hours before I have to go home. So let's get the important job done first. Now, some things require some cleaning before putting away, because I'm just going to put them up for sale as well. These wheels here, I can't just put them up for sale all dirty like this, can I? I mean, that'd be silly of me, especially when you replace the tyres. But when you see all that muck around the back of there, it doesn't make them look very appealing. Just giving these a quick rinse over around the back. But what I actually need is some hydrochloric acid, or brick cleaner, it's also known as. And I've got a nice big tub of it here. Only thing is I can't find it. But there it is. I don't bother using the wheel cleaner stuff you get from the auto factors, because it's not really much use, whereas this is really nasty stuff. So half and half into that washing up bottle there, and as you spill it you can see it's bubbling up on the floor. So I won't be using this stuff without gloves. That is a serious point. If you use it without sort of rubber gloves on, it will really sting your skin. It's not very nice, but I can't find them anywhere, which is rather typical. But I have got some, so I'll keep looking. Right, so I've squirted a load of acid all over the wheels, and now what I need to do is clean it off. White's toothbrush is quite effective for this kind of thing. I just have to give it a good clean up afterwards. If you don't have a wife from whom to borrow a toothbrush from, see if you could borrow a neighbour's. There's the first stage of the cleaning done. I'm going to go over them again in 1 second in some more acid. Don't be too concerned about them lying face down, because the tyres actually stick out beyond the rim, unlike some of these rather unusual wheels that you do see on some of these rather strange cars. Ooh, look at those now. Lovely. Clean enough to eat your dinner off. And just look how much I've done. It probably doesn't look any different to you, but I can tell you what, it's a lot better than it looks. I have actually been very busy out here. All that mess is cleared away, and there's a good reason for making this clear. I'm sure you'll agree that's much better. Anyway, that's me finished for the day, I reckon. So I'm going to go off to Aldi now, and I'm going to keep my Project Nigel name badge on while I do it.